Uncut, real talk, no disguise. I'm a cozy for life, see the fire in our eyes.
What's up, Cozy Nation? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another episode of Kaizer Chiefs Uncut. I had to tap in while I'm outside the iconic FNB Stadium, our home sweet home as the Cozy Nation. I had to tap in and talk about this Zesco match tomorrow in Durban. Looking forward to that match. I hope we collect another 3 points to make sure we're still in it, man. Because you remember I did a video, how far can Kaizer Chiefs go in the CAF Confederations Cup? Started badly, started with a loss, 1-0 loss to Al Masry, and then we got ourselves a draw against Zamalek here at home, and then we also got ourselves our first 3 points out in Zambia, in Bola Stadium, against Zesco, our opponents tomorrow. The pitch was terrible. Pitch was absolutely terrible. We played 2 matches on a terrible pitch. The pitch in Bloemfontein was terrible also. It was very, very bad, but we were still able to get ourselves a 1-0 victory. The pitch was terrible in Zambia, but we still won that match 1-0. So hopefully, man, with a perfect pitch, we'll be able to score more goals, because it's going to be important, man, in this CAF Confederations Cup to score goals. Yeah, we've been surviving in the Betway Premiership with those one goals, but I think we need more goals now. We definitely need to score more goals. It might cost us at the end, because I think only 2 teams go in the group. So Zamalek and Al Masry, they eyeing those 2 spots, man. They eyeing those 2 spots. So it's up to us, man, to do something about it. We need to score goals in case ends up in points being equal there, man. I think the team is okay now. Couple of injuries, but we're still able to play those 2 games with those injuries. I saw Castin Serino was in Bloemfontein. I don't know if he's fit enough to play. It's one of my favorite players, the Kaizer Chiefs, Castin Serino. But the team, man, looks okay. Winika has been solid at the back with Young McCarthy. The midfield, that's where we always gamble. We're not consistent. Sometimes it's Ndlovu playing, sometimes it's Nkosing Peter playing. You know, since and Mabuya is a consistent now in the starting, and he's played very well so far. Got himself man of the match against Marumo Kalans during the week. So, man, yeah, we're looking forward to another beautiful game. I hope we're gonna win this one to collect the 3 points, and I hope we're gonna win by more than 1 goal, man, because it's important now, because there's not so many matches left. There's only 6 matches in this thing. We played 3. This is our 4th match. We need to make sure we get the 3 points and the goals. Cozy Nation, what are the chances of Kaizer Chiefs making it out of this group? I'm going to ask this question. What are the chances of Kaizer Chiefs making it out of this group and going to the knockout stages? Because you had Babam Tetwa there. He said Kaizer Chiefs should go to the final. He didn't say win it, but he said he should go to the final. What do you guys think? Cozy Nation, I mean, that's a video. That's all I got to say outside the FNP Stadium here. Tell me what you guys think. If you liked any part of the video, please hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure you subscribe. Kaizer Chiefs Uncut, the members. Members, I haven't forgot about you. I love my members. Cozy Nation, love and peace. I'm out.